Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class nursery, and your today's topic is line and shapes. So dear students, look at the board and watch very carefully that how I will draw the lines. So dear student, today I will show you the various kinds of line. This one is straight line and vertical line. Okay, so dear student, practice line at your home a lot of time. This one is curved line. Okay, so this one is straight line and this one is curved line. Okay dear student, remember this very carefully. Straight line, curved line. We can draw straight line like this. This one is vertically, horizontally. Okay, horizontally. When we say that draw a horizontal line, everyone draw this type of line. When I say the curved line, you draw this type of curved line. Okay, this one is also a curved line. And now I will show you the zigzag line. This one the zigzag line. This one also the zigzag lines. Okay, so dear student, these all of things are lines. And when we will draw the shape, we use a lot of lines. So dear student, look the shapes. This one is triangle. Okay, from join the three line, I have drawn a triangle, and join the two curved line, I have drawn a circle. This one is on another shape, and now I will show a square. Look, join a vertical line, join a horizontal line, again draw a vertical line and draw the line from here to here and draw square. This one is also shape. So dear student, you must practice at your home these lines, and these lines and shapes is your HW. You must draw at least two page line is your HW. Remember this very carefully. 2-page line is your HW. Use your copy. Your copy is like that, isn't it? This one is your copy. So when you draw, you must draw like this. Just one line 5 times. One line 5 times, and you must draw from up to down. Okay, and before the drawing you must write here the HW number. HW number is 1. So if you remember this HW number 1 and write down here the topic. Topic is line. Okay, so this one is your HW, and if you want, you use another page and draw a lot of curved line. I say 2 page, that's why you draw this type of line, curved line, curved like this, and this type of line again. Okay dear student, this one is your today's class, and this is your first class of the 2022. That means the first drawing class. So dear student, practice at your home more and more time, and submit your HW at every Saturday 9 AM to 1 PM. So my dear student, no more today. Thank you.